In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for the Wayfair Creators Program. First, open Wayfair in your web browser and make sure the homepage has fully loaded. Starting from the main site is helpful because it lets you navigate exactly the way a new visitor would, which makes the process easier to follow. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Creators section and click it. This area is typically where Wayfair shares information for content creators, influencers, or partners who want to work with the brand. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct section so you're viewing the official program page. After that, review the program details carefully. This is an important part of the process because it explains what the program offers, who it's intended for, and any expectations or requirements you may need to meet. As you read through the information, pay attention to eligibility guidelines, application criteria, and any details about how the partnership works. It's a good idea to make sure the program aligns with your content style and audience before moving forward. If you meet the requirements and the program seems like a good fit, go ahead and apply. When you reach the application area, read everything carefully before submitting so you understand what is being requested. If there are any fields to complete, make sure your information is accurate and up to date. A careful application can help prevent delays and make the process smoother. That's all it takes to get started. Open Wayfair, go to the Creators section, review the program details, and apply if you're eligible. Following these steps in order helps you move through the process clearly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.